Today we'll show you how to download Adobe Photoshop 2026 without anything. Just follow these steps and don't forget like and subscribe, and thank you for watching. First go to Google and put here download Photoshop. Okay guys? Okay. Just now go here, you will find Photoshop free trial and free download. Okay guys? Just click and now just United States. Okay, here you can start free trial, just click, and here, okay, finally you can choose what you have here, like Photoshop or Creative Cloud, or for student or teacher, or for business you can choose, but I choose individual Photoshop and click on here to add and continue. Okay guys, just follow those steps and don't forget like. Okay, here now we will wait a few seconds. Okay, here just here put your email like this and continue, and here you can put your code like this maybe. Okay guys, just here, and you can put your maybe like this and like this maybe, and here name, here last name, here zip code, and you can pay with your PayPal or with Amazon Pay. You can choose what you have. After this, just go to agree and subscribe. Just all this, it's for free. It's $0 USD. Okay guys, don't forget like and subscribe, and thank you for watching.